Today, I'll show you how to recover a Gmail account using a recovery email. If you forgot your Gmail password or can't sign in, a recovery email can help you get back into your account. Google's official recovery process says you should start at the Google account recovery page, then follow the questions shown on the screen to confirm the account is really yours. If a recovery email is connected to the account, Google may send a verification code there so you can continue recovery. To begin, open the Google account recovery page on your phone or computer. Enter your Gmail address, then continue to the recovery steps. If Google gives you the option to use your recovery email, select it. After that, check the recovery email inbox for a message from Google. Open the email, get the verification code, then go back to the recovery page and enter that code exactly as shown. This is the main official method when Google offers recovery by email. Now here's something important that can help. Google recommends doing account recovery from a familiar device and location whenever possible. That means using a phone, tablet, or computer where you've signed in before, using the browser you normally use, and trying from a place like your home or office. These details can improve the chance that Google recognizes the sign-in attempt as legitimate. If Google asks more questions during recovery, answer them as carefully as you can. If it asks for an old password, enter the most recent one you remember. Google says there is no limit to the number of recovery attempts, and wrong guesses will not permanently block you from trying again. It also says that if you recently changed recovery information, it may take up to 7 days for those changes to fully take effect. One more thing to remember. If you use a work, school, or managed Google account, the normal recovery steps may not work the same way, and you may need to contact your administrator instead. And after you recover the account, Google recommends setting a new, strong password and reviewing your recovery options so you do not get locked out again later. And that's how to recover a Gmail account using a recovery email. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.